Na sila igel nilupad sa bawang.
Hindi kan man to siya dara. Hindi kan siya dara. Oh.
Tara. Ay, di pa na igel. Banog. Tara, igel.
Now, if you notice, the tribal chieftain or the dato was praying for a divine intervention, praying for the nature spirits to help them stop the flooding. Huh? So yan po yung ginawa kanina. And if you will notice later, no? If you look up also now, may naglilipara na pong mga ibon, itong mga Brahmin kites up in the sky. It's an indication that it is now safe to return. So it's always wise when you are out in the wild to look for these signs.
In every disaster, we're given the chance to rebuild.
Gani mo gawasan sila, no?
To accept the mistakes and to
Banog
learn
na.
from them.
Gani nga, ano po sila ng gawas, no?
Continue to look for ways, no matter how big or small it is, to have this preservation of this nature that we
Ito
have
mo nang
here in our
manakapagpiso.
We hope that you will join us in our efforts to preserve and conserve our environment and our culture. Remember to be part of the solution and not part of the pollution. And that ends our show. Thank you for coming and watching this Malagos
Ay, ending na naman.
This is the cast and crew of the longest running interactive bird show in the Philippines for 17 years now. So, we hope that you will enjoy. We hope that you enjoy the show. Thank you so much. Daghang salamat ug may buntag kanatong tanan.
For our final words is Laila to say it. Sabi mo, Laila. Sabi niya, bye! Thank you for coming! Okay, naku kayo, sir. Naku ako, pagbilan. It is now your chance to feed our ducks. You can feed our ducks later here. It's about 20 pesos. And you can take pictures with our